Stop, whatever you do, go anywhere near the camera. Okay. Hello. Anyway, so what we're going to do here today is I'm going to take this apart and we're going to rob some more honey out. Here, let me hand this to you. Would you just clean the top? As I said, we're going out of town for, almost 2 weeks. And last time I was in this hive, it was pretty near honey bound. I put 3 new frames in, but I'm afraid that just might not cut it. So what I'm going to do here is take 10. I've got 10 frames set aside over here, and I'm going to find 10 frames full of honey out of both of these supers and swap them out for empty frames. I'm not going to take all from one. You know, obviously I don't want to take all 10 out of one of these because they're not all full. Let's see, there's one that's completely full. And we'll definitely take that one. And I've got just an empty box over here. We'll see. See, there's another full one. Take this one out already. Well, that one's pretty dang close to full. It's not quite all capped. This one's the same way. So we'll just leave that. Leave that one. You know, I'm going to go ahead and take this one even though it's not quite all capped. It's close. And in case you can't hear it, yeah, they don't like being brushed. What's this one look like again? Now we'll let them work that one. Alright, now I'm going to take that super off. And see how many full ones we got underneath. One. buddy of mine emailed me or PM'd me the other day and said that these were classically full. I mean, you see that. That's almost textbook what a full frame looks like. Yeah, that one is still working, that one. We'll put that one in the end. And we'll put a empty one next to it. Okay, they're still working that one, so we'll leave that one there. These are the 3 I took out, what was it, 4 days ago? 2 days ago? It's only been 2 days. And you can see, they already got that side almost all combed. That side's half combed. They are doing it. And there's the 3rd one. Almost done. So, I guess I'm not going to quite get 10. I'm going to take that one. Just because of the length of time I'm going to be gone, I want to make sure that they got plenty of place to build. Reason being, you leave too much honey in there too long. Look at that thing. I mean, that is loaded. You leave too much honey in there too long, and the hive gets honey bound. Not only, you know, they got no place to go, but your beetles and your other pests, yeah, it's like putting out the dinner plate. And we don't want that for sure. I don't have a beetle problem, and I don't want one. So no, we didn't get 10, we got 9. 9 frames of honey. And I think that's going to be okay. Now what we're going to do, and I won't have time to show this on video, I'm sorry, just the way it is, but we're going to put these 9 frames inside some tall kitchen bags. And what did we decide? 3 fit per. And put them in the freezer. So when we get back, that's not 9 either, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. We'll have 8 frames plus or 3, 9, 10, 11 frames to process when we get back. Well, they're real grumpy now, so I'm going to take my frames here and head to the kitchen. Okay, I lied. So what we did is we took these 8 frames and we used a spatula to scrape them all off into here, and then we poured it bit by bit into this strainer, which is straining the honey into this container, and then there's the honey, and you can see it's still got a little bit of the bubbles in it, and once it finishes clearing up, we'll go ahead and show that to you, but that should come out really nice. We'll be right back. Okay, and there is the take from 8 frames. We got 12 pints, a quart, and most of a quart. In fact, because I haven't yet boiled down the little bit of cappings and honey that was left over from when we scraped it, it would have filled that. So you can see. Hey, what is that? That's all that together. It's a gallon and a half.
14 pints. Yeah.
Yeah. So y'all figure it out. And the reason the color looked different is just the lighting in here. But now that the bubbles have settled, hold it up to the light there, you can see that is clear. And we are very, very pleased with the amount of honey. So I guess we can assume, because I've had some people ask, that we're gonna get, if we have full 6-inch honey supers, we're gonna get somewheres in the ballpark of 16 pints, or about 1.75 gallons of honey per super. And what would you say the total length of time it took to do this? Not counting waiting for it to strain and all that. Would you say about 1.5 hours? Maybe, give or take? Yeah, so about 1.5 hours work. So there it is. There's our this is our real true first harvest. So this is very, very cool. All right, y'all. Thank you very much for coming along for the ride. Fair winds, and we'll see you next time around.